What's going on, guys? We finally got the engine started up. Now we can move forward to get all of the accessories onto this engine. And we're going to start with the alternator and the power steering bracket. Now we can install our brand new alternator. There's just 2 mounting points for that. And now we can install our rebuilt power steering pump. If you want to see how to rebuild that, check out my previous video on the channel. Once I got all that installed, I realized it's easier clearance-wise to get the water pump installed first. Don't forget to install your water pump gasket. We're going to torque our water pump down to 11 foot-pounds and then 22 on the second pass. With that installed, we can add back on our power steering and our alternator bracket. Now we can install the AC bracket. I have a stand-in compressor model 4711, and it came with my Jeep Air when I got AC for my Jeep. This compressor size is comparable to the stand-in 508. Originally, I was going to mount this in the stock AC position on the bottom passenger side of the engine. However, there are very few aftermarket brackets that they make for the bigger compressors like I have. So I got this upper AC bracket from Amazon from a company called Bevancy. It's really high quality and it comes with all of the stuff that we're going to need to mount this compressor. Let's get the back support installed first. This is just 2 bolts into the cylinder head. Now we can tighten that down and we can move forward to our front bracket. This kit comes with all the spacers you'll need, and we're going to mount this front bracket right into the water pump mounting holes. The kit comes with its own tensioner, so you don't have to go hunting for one that works. We'll tighten that down, and now we can get our compressor installed. And with that tightened down, we can now run our Serpentine belt. With this specific setup, I found that a 111.5 inch Serpentine belt worked perfectly. We'll run the belt, making sure we get as much of the crankshaft pulley covered as possible. And there we have it, guys. That is everything you're gonna need to do to install your accessories for your LS engine. Thanks very much for watching, guys. If this video was helpful, drop a like, and if you wanna see more of my content, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on my next auto adventures.